Now, let's dive into one of the most exciting capabilities of generative AI, content generation. On this slide, I'm showing you a few examples of prompts that you can use to generate a wide variety of content, each tailored to specific needs. First, you can ask AI to write a pep talk in the words of someone you admire, like Kobe Bryant, to motivate yourself in building your AI knowledge and skills. This not only gives you a personalized message, but also a boost of inspiration in a voice that resonates with you. Next, if you're looking to write an email to your team encouraging them to upskill, you can prompt the AI to help craft a message that's upbeat and concise. This is a great way to ensure your communication is both effective and engaging. If you have a draft email that needs polishing, you can ask the AI to help you clean it up before sharing it with an executive, ensuring it's clear, professional, and impactful. For those getting back into fitness, you can even ask AI to build an 8-week workout routine that fits your specific needs and limitations. The AI can provide a tailored plan, helping you stay on track with your goals. And lastly, for a bit of creativity, you can request the AI to generate an image of an award that you would receive after completing a course on AI. This not only adds a fun element to your learning process, but also provides a visual reminder of your achievements. These examples show how versatile AI is when it comes to generating content. Whether it's for personal motivation, professional communication, or creative endeavors, the right prompt can help you produce exactly what you need.